You're sitting down on your couch, or hey, maybe you're in bed, pulling up the app, watching some YouTube videos, maybe a review, a vlog, anime, manga, anything, everything, special events, who knows. But you ask yourself, man, I can make better content than this, or hey, I'm really inspired, I do want to make my own content. But golly gee willikers, it's 2021, what should I do? I'm gonna ask that one big massive question in your head. Should you make a YouTube channel in 2021? Let's find out. This video is sponsored by the like and the subscribe button. Hit the bell notifications, all free, no links, no gimmicks, none of that BS, okay? Don't have to worry about no mobile video game, website building or anything like that. No other website learning stuff. Psst, what's that? None of that. No, it's a simple hit the like button, subscribe button with the bell notification. That we can get more awesome content completely free. Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Breaky and welcome to a brand new series, Content Creator 101. I'm here to help you out with your YouTube channel, business. You're just a regular teen, just playing around, that's a-okay, that's fine. I'm here to help you out from the beginner, intermediate, expert, the advanced, whatever, 10 years, 20 years, 1 year, 1 month. Wow, don't worry about it, it's alright. I'm here to help you out and I'm helping myself out too. We're here to go through the ride. I've gone through so many courses, so many tests, anything and everything, gone through multiple YouTubers, learn the ups and downs, and I'm here to help you out. Big massive question, should you make a YouTube channel of any year, any day, any month? The answer is yes, of course. Simple. That's it. That's the end of the video. I'm just kidding. But other than that though, it's very simple. Yes, you should. If you're just a regular business person or social media person, manager, company, whatever, anything, teen, it's help there to improve your business, help you grow, help you advance, all that fun stuff, okay? It does get a little tricky, it does get a little bit hard, it is something new if you haven't done it before, but that's okay though. You're here for the ride, and you just go along with it, go with the flow. There is no rush, do the best you can. I hope you do like these type of content, and I'm really grateful, happy to make content for y'all and help out grow your YouTube channel. Go ahead, hit the like and the subscribe with the bell notification to get more updates. Enjoy the content, check out all my other stuff, check out my merch, anything and everything, I don't know. And I'll see y'all around. Bye bye.